What is up? Welcome, welcome. Let me know if you guys can hear me and see my screen. And we can start. Yeah, the audio is super good. So how's everybody doing? Welcome to this streaming here on YouTube, where we are going to be trading live with the BLW Pro binary app. Hopefully you guys are ready. You guys grab a snack or something like that. Keep in mind that this indicator is 15-minute signal, so therefore is going to take a little bit longer than usual. Right now we actually got a signal, if I'm not mistaken. USD JPY. There we go. It's a call position. We already missed it though. But welcome everybody to this specific streaming. Good morning. Let me know where you guys are saying hi from. I want to make sure you guys can see my screen and the quality is good enough so that we can start with this cool streaming. So how's everybody doing? I see the first comment right there. Awesome. Smash the like button if you're just joining in or just watching this on the replay. Smash the like button all the time. So, all right, I see people from Ontario, Canada, Sri Lanka, Dubai, India, Lesotho, Indiana, I guess, or Indianapolis, I'm not sure. Thank you for the guitars. Yeah, my collection. Canada, I see also people from Canada. How you doing? Okay, South Africa. All right, just taking a look at the stories right here. All right, I see Canada, Calgary, Australia, the UK, Costa Rica, India, South Africa, India, now in Canada, awesome, South Africa, Ireland. Okay, so how's everybody doing? Welcome and smash the like button as usual to support this YouTube channel. Now, super important that if you guys are going to be following my trades in this specific streaming, you guys should be doing it on demo if you can't afford to lose your balance, right? I don't want all that hate. Oh, you know, Christian made me lose money. No, nobody makes you lose money, all right? No, nobody's forcing you guys to trade. So super important that you guys actually understand that. This could be a good signal for like 10 minutes. USD JPY. So I'm gonna enter for 10 minutes, but I'm just gonna enter for $400. Reason why is because the price is actually going back to the starting point. As you can see right here, this is where the signal was actually sent. Now it's getting back to the starting point. So the next couple of candles should go up. Okay. Sorry, I wasn't sharing my screen. So USD JPY is a good option to actually enter. Okay. In 10 minutes. It's a little bit too late since the moment that I actually got the signal. So I'm not even sure if we're going to be able to actually win this one, but I already entered in order to have one trade open. Okay. Can you hear me better now? Can you see my screen? Okay, cool. For those of you who don't know what app I'm actually using right now, is this one right here, called Pro Binary App. It's the link is in the description. It's blwprobinaryapp.com, and it's basically an application that will provide you with signals. All right, I recommend you to go and take a look at the website, but this is the application right now taking action. Cross says, Chris, I got cheated by your team. Can you be more specific? I'm pretty sure it's not true, but can you be more specific just so that we know that probably it was one of those fake profiles pretending to be me, and maybe you got tricked in there? Ghana, I see Ghana. Will I have a Black Friday sale for it? Maybe. Maybe I will. Stay tuned. All right. So we got 8 minutes left for this trade. Hopefully we win it. This is the first position that I entered, and the signal is this one right here. I actually have the sound activated in order for me to actually get these trades. I also checked investing.com because I wanted to make sure that sorry, I'm reading the comments here. USD and JPY, yes, top in. Okay, cool. Trinidad and Tobago, okay. Iron, 50% off. I'm not sure. Stay tuned to my social media. Make sure you guys follow me on Instagram, all right? In Instagram, I'm going to be sharing everything that is needed. You know, does this strategy work for pocket option? Yeah, it works with any broker whatsoever. All you guys have to do is actually download the app, install it, and use it on M5. As you can see, 5 minutes. This right here, it's M5 means 5 minutes. And when you get the signal, you enter a 15-minute trade. Okay, a 15-minute trade. 5 minutes right here, and you enter a trade on a 15-minute trade. I just entered for 10 minutes, but it's basically because I saw that it was already, one candle was already taken, right? So it was 1, 2, and this is the third candle. I probably entered too late because I'm still going to have one more candlestick to actually go. So I enter a little bit too late. But yeah, that's like the general idea as to how it works. Greetings from Kuwait. How you doing, man? What time do I like to trade personally? This time right now. 14 GMT, 15 GMT, and 16 GMT. Those are my times to trade. After that, I usually go to the office and just, you know, start working on some of the things in the company. More administration stuff. So I got Cross. Cross never answered that he was cheated by my team. So you guys know what I mean all the time, right? When someone just is throwing hate and I don't know. Okay, Prestador is just having a personal conversation here. Yes, what is the best time to trade? Okay, I already answered that. What other indicators have you on your screen? I only have the moving average, exponential moving average in the period of 200. All right, Cross, you just got to talk to my team, man. I mean, that word that you've been cheated by my team is just dumb. Okay, so just go over there and they're gonna fix it. They're gonna fix it up for you. I mean, it's not like I need your money, you know. So this trade right here, this candlestick already expired, and hopefully the next one is actually a green one, because otherwise I'm gonna lose my first position. It was my fault, but I have faith that the next candlestick is actually gonna start going up. Canada, what time is good time? Is good trade for pocket option? Not sure what time is it right now in Canada. Right now it's 8 a.m. where I am, so it does depend. How do you stay calm trading with big sums of money? Well, the truth is that when your account is so big, and you don't really care that much. You know, for instance, when I have my account close to $20,000, then $400 is okay. You don't need to focus on the exact amount of money. You need to focus on the percentage that you're actually risking on your trade. So for instance, if your balance is $100, then of course risking $50 will be too much. So if you have $100 and you risk $5 or $3, and you're good to go. You know what I mean? I'm sorry. Looks like I'm gonna lose this trade. That sucks. We'll see what happens within 3 minutes, but honestly, I lost the faith. What is the best length for moving average to trade binary? It depends on the strategy, okay? What is the second screen you're looking at? Is that part of the app? Which one? Because this is MT4. This is MT4 where I actually have the indicator installed. And this is Forex. This is my broker account where I'm placing my trades. So this is Forex, this is my broker, and this is the indicator. See, this was my mistake because this is the opening of the trade, this is the second candle, and this is the last, this is where it expired. So probably I would have wanted, or maybe I had a tie or something like that, the moment that the expiration, but since I entered for a few more minutes, then I'm going to lose the trade. So that was my bad. Sorry about that. We're still going to have more signals, so we're still good to go. There is a change in trending over there on USD CAD. Not sure why. There are no news going on. So as a matter of fact, yesterday, these are the trades that I placed yesterday. These ones right here. I don't remember. But the thing is that I realized that, yes, you can still have some double entries with the indicator. Whenever the price starts going in the opposite direction, but you still got the signal, you can actually enter a second entry and enter right there, you know. Can you make a video trading OTC stocks on pocket option? Not really. I don't recommend you OTC, and I don't recommend you stocks on pocket option. Hamza says, when I started playing with IQ option, I ended up turning a demo 10 to $400,000 in 3 days. What happens if you do that in real life? Will they allow you to withdraw the large sum? Not really. They're going to give you a bunch of trouble. You're just going to be fighting with customer service. So I do recommend you to actually go ahead and, you know, withdraw 20 grand or something like that, you know. Chris, I have the conversation between me and your team for a day. How can I go back to speak to them? What you got to do is just go into the chat box inside of the website. I mean, every website from us have a button right here that is a live chat. Go ahead and talk to them again. And they're going to be able to, you know, answer you. Marianne is in the house. So how you doing? But yeah, that word cheated, you know, is really offensive though. So, like I said, this indicator is for 15 minutes or it's 5-minute candlesticks, but the problem is that, or what I see as a downside, you know, compared to other apps that I have, is the time that you guys have to wait in order to get a signal. All right, because the problem is that, okay, I lost this one. It was my bad. Remember that? The problem is that there are a few times when, I don't know, you spend like an hour without any signal whatsoever. So right now I have it activated right here. I have it on 6 different pairs. I could even have more pairs if that's what it takes. Let me just go ahead and get the high paying pairs right now. So Euro AUD, where is that? There you go. why you call pro binary app this indicator? Because it's a binary app for pros. Hello, what is the best strategy for pocket option? RSI and stochastic with 2 minutes. I would say RSI with stochastic with 1 minute, or the Kellner channel. The app giving good accuracy in 5 minutes. Yes, we can try it and play trades for 5 minutes. You know, we could. I haven't really tried it yet. So yeah, but we can give it a try. Okay, so I'm just getting the pairs that I have over here as well with good payouts. Euro GBP. I think I got that one. I don't. Okay. Where is it? Bale Effect says, seriously, take this from me. Binary is not an option. Please try to focus on Forex trading. Is all lovely that way. The blood pressure of binary is too much. You do got a point that the pressure is a little bit, you know, higher, but saying the binary is not the way is, I don't know. It's not true. All right, so I got 8 pairs already. Let's see if we can find a signal in there. Is the BLW signals group still running for $29.99? Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Oh, by the way, if you guys get the BLW Pro Binary app, in case you still don't have it, you're going to get automatically 100% free binary options for beginners.com. That is a brand new training that I personally created. It is for complete beginners. Binary options for beginners.com. You guys can even go and take a look at the website. Right now, the price is running at $29.99, and you get it 100% free if you actually get the BLW Pro Binary app. This is the website, $29.99. And if you go to the courses, you're going to learn what are binary options. It's 20 different lessons, make long-term plan, best binary options apps, start with the right mentality, and so on. So yeah, that is included 100% free. All right. No signals yet. Who in here in the live chat has the Pro Binary app application already? Let me know. And go ahead and smash the like button in case you haven't. Smash the like button to support this YouTube channel in case you have not done it. Okay? Pestador, stay tuned to my social media. I'm not sure what the offers are going to be like, but I don't know. Vicas has it. Awesome. Every single app has a learning curve, okay? Has a learning curve, and you just gotta take the time to actually learn it, all right? Okay, I see a bunch of people that has it. That's awesome. But yeah, with the learning curve is where you actually take a regular app all the way to the one that is going to change you forever. I have not made money yet, unfortunately. Have you tested it on demo though? Because if you jumped already with real money, you're risking. Or if you feel already comfortable following the signals, then it's really not necessary that you go through the demo. Cool. One more week. Q&A. If you guys have questions, this is the moment because we have no signals at all. And I could trade with my own strategy, you know, but I don't know. I don't want to mix things up. Jake says, I noticed that the free binary options course, there aren't any lessons on using MT4. Do you have any videos to go over your step for MT4? No, because it's a binary training, so I don't really have training over there in MT4 for binary. But if you go to blwtradingacademy.com and get that training there, I teach you Forex and some of the MT4 tricks. Is all-in trade safe? Yes, it is safe. Binary or Forex? If you're asking me, go with both. And even stock trading too. Which one of your app you like to use the most? The one that I personally like the most is the BLW binary master app. That's the one that I personally like the most. But you know, you basically can realize that there is a huge difference between each app accordingly. For instance, the BLW Turbo Strategy app is for 5 and 15 minutes. Then the 2-minute strategy app is for 2 minutes. Then your BLW Binary Master app for 3 minutes with a different strategy. And then we have the BLW Pro Binary app for 15 minutes specifically. So you can see that they're all different. But the one that I personally like the most, yeah, is the BLW Binary Master app. What trading strategy do you use? Do you use this app or a combination of different strategies? The strategy to trade manually, I use the 1-minute strategy most of the time. Let me see. Wouldn't it be smart to grow your account to 100,000 and then to do one trade a day for $907 payout per day? Yeah, but I personally make more than that. So that is a good strategy for Forex trading. Going through some of your videos, older videos, trying to figure out the best strategy for me. Thanks a lot for the info. Thank you, Michael. Has the market been good this week? Honestly, last week and this week, it has been way better than last week. I'm trading with your 2-minute strategy, binary option strategy right now, and 3 wins, no losses. Awesome. Hallelujah. I've grown your account from 45 to 54 in about 20 minutes. Awesome. And just go ahead and stop right there. If you got 3 wins and no losses, stop right there and continue tomorrow. All right. That's going to be the smartest thing to do. I've noticed that this guy only wins in pre-recorded videos. Oh, Ralph. Thank you for showing your face as a hater. But yeah. It's always nice. It was kind of weird that there were no haters, you know, right here. If I deposit using Bitcoin in Olive Trade, should I withdraw using it also, or this only when to use Ethereum? I'm not sure. That depends on the location. Chris, I want to ask for your suggestion. How much money that we can withdraw from a balance in pocket option or Codex? I would say around 80% you can still, withdraw. What are the bot results? No, I don't have bot results right now. I actually going to post a video in regards to it, probably at the end of this week. I'm not sure. Because this week I'm going to have a bunch of streamings. So I'm not posting videos actually. But I want to separate things, like this specific video is in regards to this app and another streaming for a different app and so on. Is it possible to really grow from $10? Yes, I actually done it before. I purchased BLW binary app, but I have only perfect money account, sir. Help me. I'm not sure what you mean. I'm sorry. I'm beginners, how to use your app. I have a whole streaming in regards to how to use the app itself. Honestly, right now, the explanation was at the beginning. Okay, I got a signal, so I just gotta, hold on. Hold your questions. So it's again USD JPY for call position. It is an uptrend though. So I'm gonna enter for $400 right here, and I'm gonna wait. If it drops a lot, I enter for 10 minutes. If it drops a lot more, then I'm gonna enter again for another 10-minute trade. Okay. Let me continue with the questions. You're so right about losses. I need to stop after one. I kept trading after 3 wins and lost all profit. Okay, yeah. Sorry about that. Do you do regular Forex trading? I honestly only trade using the BLW Auto Trader, but what I consider to do this week or starting out next week is to actually determine how are the signals doing on the BLW FX tool as well. So hopefully we can get together in one of those streamings and you guys can see the next, Are you open for internships? Not right now. Cross says, see, now you're ignoring my complaint. You want to go back to your team that I have been speaking to without solution. Look, Cross, it's not like I want to ignore you or anything, but I already told you what is the solution. Go ahead and talk to my chat team live, and they're going to help you out. Like literally, when I go to the office, I see my agents answering questions all the time. And if it's going with the terms and conditions, then we always give the refund. So it's not like I'm trying to ignore you. It's just like, I don't know, you're one of those customers that just want to get things done the way you want and not the way it's supposed to, Don't take it wrong, but yeah. This man is fraud. Please stay away. Okay. All right. Silence 2 people already. Should we need to withdraw 80% of the account? Yeah, I think that's a good number to withdraw. The BLW Pro Miner app. Okay. My Gator oscillator doesn't show me strong green and green bars goes before the red. How do I fix that? I don't use that indicator actually. Okay. Do you follow VIX, volatility index? Not really. I'm interested in knowing how you grew your account from $10. I have a few videos in regards to it. You guys can check it out over there on my YouTube channel. I have only Perfect Money account. I purchase with Perfect Money, but you buy option PayPal. Yeah, we don't have perfect option. I have learned from you a while with your 2-minute strategy on binary options, but a friend told me I should learn Forex using MetaTrader. I want to ask which one is the best. Both of them are good. As a matter of fact, I had a webinar where I teach you guys how you guys can jump from binary all the way to Forex. So I think that webinar is going to help you guys out. I'm actually going to do it public next week or this week actually. So stay tuned. Forex is legal for Canada. I'm not sure if it's legal, but I do know that they accept traders from there. I make 5 trades, I'll win. Awesome, man. Please share the Binary Pro app. Can I use it with $20 a day with $100 capital? That's 20% of your balance, man. So I would say go ahead and use no more than $10. Cross, I already answered you, man. I don't want to answer you anymore. If you want to email the screenshots or whatever to support@blwonlinetrading.com, then maybe I can go ahead and take a look at it. But I'm pretty sure how that is going to go. I have to say BLW team is good. I purchased the Pro app but wasn't comfortable, so I got a refund within a day. Thank you, Matthew. I don't know. I'm not sure what shutdown means. Enjoyed all your videos and courses. Thank you for helping. You're welcome, Jake. Why don't you trade with pocket option? Because pocket option, I use it for manual trading only. Thank you, Raymond, for the nice words. Pocket options or Codex, both are good. I purchased a BLW Pro binary app. Option is PayPal and credit card, but I only have Perfect Money. No, unfortunately, only a credit card or PayPal. Sorry about that. Why don't you trade in pocket up? Okay, same question. Can you really quit your job and start binary trading? I would say quit your job when you're already making money with binary trading. So the trade is actually looking good. That's the reason why I haven't changed to my camera. Thank you, Hafiz. Please go ahead and use your own strategy, RSI and stochastic. Not today. Today's all about the app. Steer IQ option that checks Bitcoin and deposit would start using IQ option. Awesome. Yeah, I heard that they started to accept Bitcoin, which was actually pretty cool. So yeah, go ahead and enjoy it. So I don't know. Looks like we're just gonna place 3 positions today. I'm not sure. That's the reason why, you know, I do go with turbo trades, but that's okay. I wanted to demonstrate live how to use the app. I'm not sure if we're going to be profitable or not, because I do see that there's a retraction coming at on the next candlestick, but we should be good to go. Name your 3 best Forex pair you like trading. I like Euro USD, GBP USD, and USD CAD. Those are my favorite ones. Okay. Thank you. Great questions, people. What strategy I use? Right now I'm using the app. I have to say, you got balls of steel. Take a look at another one. I think, let me see, balls of steel, respect. It's all about taking the risk and trust the process. Your mental strength is mind-blowing. Keep doing what you're doing. Thank you. Yeah, the thing is that I always teach you that mentality is the most important thing in day trading. And it's because of like that, you know, it's impossible to succeed in this industry if, I don't know, if you're too weak on your mentality and you get, you know, freak out too fast or something like that. It's how you become a broker. I wish that for you. Don't really think I'm ever gonna do that. How do you identify these trading pairs? What are your best pairs? Those are the ones that I feel more comfortable with because I know the currencies move like very similar to each other. That's the reason why. But honestly, right now, I'm just following the signals on the BLW Pro Binary app. So no secrets in there. There's a resistance line right here that it gets me a little bit worried, but we're going to see how that actually goes. Sir, Forex challenge 200 to 1,000. Okay, yeah, we can do that. It's going to take longer, though. It's not going to be immediate like binary. Chris, when you're doing a giveaway to your subscribers, maybe this week. It's going to be live, though, so it's going to be cool. On average, how much money a day you do profit? I don't really count the daily profits. I try to focus more on the weekly profits. It really does depend, but this week, for instance, I haven't really traded that much. But I made like $3,000 or something like that so far. So it's actually good. $2,000 I had made so far. Up until right now, because as you can see right now, the trade is actually going against us. We're going to see how this one actually ends. Hello, Chris. Need Forex better risk-reward ratio and trying to make FTMO challenge after last week's results. Yeah, we're improving that. From Kenny, I just wanted to go ahead and take the risk in binary options. Any advice for me? Don't take it as a risk. Get as much knowledge as you can, and that is going to reduce the risk, okay? Don't think of it as a risky business. Just think about it as something that you can learn, master, and use as a tool to make money. Okay, Forex challenge with the FX tool. Yeah, man, that's actually what I'm thinking about. Actually, I think I'm gonna lose the first entry, and I'm not sure if I'm gonna win the second entry. Honestly, too bad. Bad luck for today's trades. Because I'm going to stop. I'm not going to continue right now. Then I have Sir, which is best, pocket option or Forex? Okay, I already answered that. Both of them are good. What do you mean with trouble with customer service from pocket option when you withdraw 400,000? Look, the problem is not that they don't have the money. It's that they don't want to give you the money, all right? Nobody wants to give you $500,000 out of nowhere. So it's going to be harder for them to actually accept that specific withdrawal. They might just go ahead and tell you that you need to prove your strategy. They're gonna ask you for a bunch of things. At the end, they have to end up doing it. But if you want to go through a process of 6-month withdrawal, then I would say just withdraw 20 grand and you're gonna be good to go. There's no need to actually go and fight that. It's pretty much the same like when you go to the bank and you just want to close your account. They really do everything they can in order to avoid you from actually doing that. You know what I mean? If I start with $300, how much should I risk in each play? With $300, I would say maximum, it would be $20 at the most. It would be more than 5%, but you're still good to go. Okay, so pretty bad day, unfortunately, guys. I didn't even close the trade. What's going on? There you go. Bad day. We lost a couple of trades, and we 3 trades actually. We ended up losing. Sorry about that. It happens. This is food for the haters, you know, like, oh, you know what, the odd doesn't work, man. But yeah, sometimes you win, sometimes you lose. As a matter of fact, right now is actually jumping. So I entered for 10 minutes. Maybe if I would have entered for 15, I'm not sure. But I wanted to have this live session with you guys so that you guys can see how the app works and, of course, how I manage the mentality. Okay? Please, sir, can I make $20 a day with Binary Pro app using $100 capital? And how much percentage will you risk? You're going to play trades for $5, so $20. I'm not sure if we're going to be able to do it every day. With a $300 account, yes. Okay. Thank you so much, Chris. You really helped me out since the day I started watching your videos. Now I'm making $20 per day, and I'm so happy with my results. I'm watching from Zimbabwe. Awesome, man. Thank you. Thank you. Bro, which method do you recommend best for a deposit on IQ option if bank card doesn't work? I would say bank wire. And now I think they accept Bitcoin. Back tested the app yesterday and it was profitable. Awesome, man. Hello. Well, I copy your trade and enter for 5 minutes because the max duration and IQ option and won it. Awesome, and I'm happy for you. It's all part of trading and you got money. The haters got nothing on you and you shouldn't bother you. No, they don't bother me, honestly. It's actually kind of fun. But the thing is that when you don't have haters, then there's something wrong. And I miss the haters, you know. See you next time, people. I appreciate that you guys were here for the entire time. Remember, if you guys get the BLW Pro Binary app, you also get 100% free the Binary Options for Beginners training, which is going to change your life forever. So I appreciate it. This was a 40-minute live stream. I hope you guys enjoyed it. See you guys on the next one. Cheers.